Go.
Hi everybody, Miss V here. I wanted to do a little quick science experiment today all about rainbows. Did you know that you can make a rainbow with just a paper plate, some Skittles, and some water? Let's see how you do it. Okay, so all you need is one paper plate, some Skittles candies, and today I have red, orange, yellow, green, and purple, and some water. And all I'm going to do is take my Skittles and put them on the plate in a rainbow order. Do you remember what colors are in the rainbow? Just put them all around the plate. Red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. And I'm going to keep doing that all the way around. So.
Oh.
Okay, so now I have all my candy in the plate, and all I'm going to do is add some water. And now watch the color come out. If you want, you can set a timer for say 2 minutes and come back and see if your rainbow is ready yet. But here we go. And just add enough water so that the candy is sitting inside of it. Not too much. Now, watch the color come out. Do you see it already coming out? All the different colors. Pretty awesome, right? So that was how to make a rainbow in a paper plate. See you later.